Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos of Canva graphic designing. So guys, as you know, we started the Canva graphic designing course in which we taught multiple skills from which you can earn money online by giving services on different freelancing platforms. So in today's video, I will also teach you such a skill which you can learn in a day or maybe less than a day. So it is just a work of 3 to 5 minutes and you can earn good amount of money from Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can also use for your own business. So the skill name is Twitter ad design. So first of all, we are going on fiverr.com. If you don't know about what is fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform in the world where you can sell your services online and earn money. So I am going to fiverr.com. Here I search Twitter ad design. There are 37,140 services available, and as you can see, different people provide different services like Facebook ads design, Twitter ads, and social media ads. It's basically included in social media ads. So as you can see, there are it is very demanding skill. So this is a good skill to work. This is a good skill to work on. So I am teaching you how you can learn this skill. So that's it for our Fiverr part or freelancing part. Let's go towards our designing part and learn how we can create Facebook ad design in we can learn how to design Twitter ad in Canva. So cross this. So here I write Twitter ad so click on this Twitter ad. It provides a different templates, but we have to customize any of the template and start practicing on it. So I create a blank Twitter ad. Just wait for some seconds. It is loading. So I would like to sell a so that's good. I would like to sell a headphones. So this template is good for customizing. So I am going to customize this template, and first of all I would like to change the image. Here I search headphone. So there are different headphones available. So I delete this image and place this image here. That's look good. After that, I would like to change the color into white and back color into black. Yeah, that's look good. And after that, I would like to customize the site name. Headphones.com. That's look good. If you want to add some other things or some other elements, you can go to element and search here like different graphics which you want to add. So I just want to show you how you can customize any template in Canva. So I think that's enough. That's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. And also do watch the complete playlist of Canva designing course on my channel Iron Tech, so you can learn multiple skills and start selling these services on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can also sell these services on social media. Many buyers want to buy these services. So that's it for today. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.